To book a space on my website, you would go to the class. This one's closed, so it's full. You go to the class, click number of people, continue, and then pop your details in there. What you may find if the class is full, if the class is full, there might not be an option to book below. So this one you can't book because there's no spaces. Whereas if there's spaces, you can click book the event there. Oh, and one thing as well, just if it's say next month, for example, if it was the same bath, you can just click through to the next date, the 7th of June, for example, and then you've got the events there.